How to fix your JBL Flip 7 in case it's not working. There's many reasons why this could happen, and I'll show you a few different solutions. So let's start with solution number 1, which is to update your speaker. To do this, you need to go and download the JBL portable app for iPhone or Android smartphone. Once you open the app, if you have an update available, it will be written right over here in orange. If not, you can go in product information. And over here, you're going to have update your speaker. Mine is up to date. This is why you don't see that logo. You don't see that message. If after updating your speaker, you're still having issues, you can do a factory reset. To do this, make sure the speaker is turned on, and then you're gonna keep press the play button and the plus button both for around 3 seconds. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Release. After 3 seconds, the speaker will be turned off. You simply have to keep press 1 second on the power button to turn it on. And as you see, the Bluetooth logo is currently blinking, signifying that it's in pairing mode and it has been factory resetted. It's like a brand new speaker. If after doing everything, you're still having difficulties with your unit, maybe it's not a software issue, it's a hardware problem. My last trick before trying to return it to the store or claim or go through the warranty claim is to try charging the speaker with another charger and another cable. Sometimes the problem is not the speaker, but your cable and charger. So replace those, connect, and leave the speaker connected overnight. This could fix some charging issues, and afterwards, everything should work. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment if you have any other solutions, and I will see you in the next video.